Hi everyone, it's Clyde here from Yellow Brick Road St. Mary's, your local Wealth Accelerator specialist. This week's video is all about how to choose a good financial advisor. Recently, as you know, we've had a lot of information about the Royal Commission, and you've heard companies not doing the right thing with their clients, charging when they shouldn't be charging, advisors not doing the correct thing. So what I thought I'll do this week is just to give you some tips on how to choose a good financial advisor. So the first tip that I highly recommend, which is the most important, is to make sure that the advisor is authorized or is licensed to give you the advice. There's a lot of people out there in the market that are giving advice when they shouldn't, and it can be professionals, it can be non-professionals, but make sure that if you're going to take advice from someone, that they are licensed to give you that advice. And the best way to make sure that they are licensed is to go on the ASIC website, and if you search the person's name, it will come up to say whether they are licensed or not. So that's the first point, is to make sure that they're licensed. The second point that I'd recommend you to do is to ask or confirm about the education and the experience of the advisor. Very, 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 very important. The education, have they gone to university? Have they, what degrees have they done? Is it relating to finance? If it isn't, have they done additional qualifications to make sure that they have the right qualifications to advise you? The experience, have they advised clients in a similar position to you? Do they specialize in particular areas? Also ask, confirm about how their fees are charged, whether they charge a fixed fee or whether they charge a commission. Do they sell product? Are they focused on strategy? These are the things that you really need to look for when sitting in front of an advisor. So the education and experience are extremely important. And that's the second point. A third point is to Google them. We all do this every time we go see someone, every time we go, regarding a professional services or product, we will tend to go online and just do some research, and choosing a financial advisor is no different. Look at the reviews. Are they on Facebook? Do they comment, or do they write blogs? Do they provide you videos? Do they give you, are they in the marketplace and providing and giving advice? And are they the perceived leader in what they're talking about? You'd find all that online. So clients commenting whether they've had a good experience, whether they haven't had a good experience. So all these factors come into play when choosing an advisor. So highly recommend go online and just do some research. And then at the end of the day, the your gut feeling will tell you whether that advisor is right, or whether you feel comfortable with that advisor or not. So I do recommend going to a couple of them just to get the experience and just to see what their thoughts are on certain things. So that's it for this week. So my 3 tips for choosing a good advisor: number 1, make sure that they're licensed; number 2, confirm about the experience, the education; and finally, number 3, go online, do the research, look at Google reviews, and make sure that you trust your gut feeling when it comes to choosing the right advisor. So that's it. If you have any comments, please write them down below. If you feel that this would help someone, please share the video. And if you have any other questions or any topics, as mentioned, write them down in the comments below and I will get back to you. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you all next week. Bye.